Today we are going over this outdoor motion sensor from Zooz. When you open the package, inside you get almost everything for you to get started. There's the 3 AAA batteries, the battery adapters, so that way you can hardwire it instead of using the batteries. It uses standard micro USB, so that way you can just power up the whole thing that way via 5 volts. Here is the motion sensor itself. It's huge. I know you can see it, but this is my hand. I have a pretty small hand. Here's a PlayStation controller just for comparison, a better comparison. Go ahead and loosen these 2 screws down at the bottom. This will let you pop the back plate out and away. Then go ahead and insert the 3 AAA batteries inside. I'm using Home Assistant, so I'm going to go into Configurations, Integration, zwave, and then click on Configure, and then Add Device. Once you insert the batteries, you can go ahead and press on the tamper switch 3 times to get it into pairing mode. After it's successfully paired, here are all of the entities you can see in Home Assistant. When you're ready to secure this to the wall or ceiling, all you need is 2 screws. 1, 2. Once this backplate is onto the wall or ceiling, go ahead and press this unit into the backplate and then secure it back again with these 2 screws. Here are the 2 dials. You can flip the dial all the way to T for testing. Over here is the sensor for brightness. So you can flip it all the way over to the T to let you be alerted any time of the day, whether it's day or night. So this is actually hardware control for brightness sensitivity. Myself, I flip the switch all the way over to T, so that way I can get notification for motion any time of the day, whether it's bright, sunny, or dark even at nighttime. Currently, I have this installed on the 2nd floor deck because I want to know when my kids are out there, because I really don't want my toddlers out there on the 2nd floor deck. It's very high off the ground. And of course, I also want to know if there's strangers out there on the deck, because the deck is the easiest entrance into my house. The unit does work as advertised. I don't know why there's not a lot of people mentioning Zooz Z-Wave products. I think these devices are very reasonably priced and works great. Hopefully you found this review helpful. I really appreciate you guys subscribing to my channels. And thanks for watching this video.